François is an ambitious purchasing manager and never runs out of ideas. He has a specific request for a project he wants to share with Pierre, the Director of Information Systems. Pierre appreciates François' leadership, so he organized a framing workshop with François to jointly define the scope and other key elements of the future project identity. What will be the objective and deliverables to achieve? What will be the scope? So many questions to answer before starting a new project. SuitePro-G offers a comprehensive and intuitive project framing solution, an identity card including specific project properties fully customizable, a project charter form which describes the request and determines the objectives, a customizable scoring form that quotes the request and aligns project value with the company's strategy. The framing process is finally achieved. François' request has now become the target project. SuitePro-G, much more than just a project management software. A tailor-made tool according to your needs, a collaborative and intersecting vision of the project, a clear and plain project portfolio roadmap. With SuitePro-G, keep your project on track. A project manager can now be appointed and will have to plan this new project. Do you want to know how SuitePro-G facilitates the project planning phase? See you in the next episode.